Have you ever wondered why some basketball players excel under pressure while others crumble? It's all about mental toughness. This elusive quality, often overlooked, is a game changer in the world of sports, especially in basketball. The ability to stay focused, to push past the pain, to keep going when the odds are stacked against you. That's mental toughness. And it can make or break your performance in those nail-biting, game-deciding moments. In this video, we will delve into practical tips and strategies to improve your mental toughness on the basketball court. Mental toughness is not just about being strong, it's about how you handle pressure, respond to challenges, and bounce back from failures. It is the mental fortitude that separates the good from the great, the average from the exceptional. Let's delve deeper. Mental toughness embodies four key components. First, resilience, the ability to weather adversity and come out stronger on the other side. Then there's focus, the capacity to maintain concentration and ignore distractions even under high-pressure situations. Confidence comes next, a belief in one's abilities regardless of external factors. Last but not least, motivation, the drive to keep pushing, to keep striving even when the odds are stacked against you. Each component is like a gear in a well-oiled machine, all working together to create the formidable force that is mental toughness. Understanding these elements is the first step towards cultivating your own mental toughness. Now that we understand what mental toughness is, let's dive into some strategies to enhance it. Improving mental toughness is a process that requires consistent effort and practice. Just like the physical aspect of your game, mental strength won't develop overnight. Instead, it's something that needs to be worked on daily. Here are some practical tips to help you get started. First, let's talk about setting clear goals. In the context of basketball, this could be anything from improving your free throw percentage to becoming a more effective communicator on the court. The key is to make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, or what we often refer to as SMART goals. This approach gives you a clear path to follow and helps to keep your focus sharp. Next is practicing mindfulness. This is all about being present in the moment and focusing on the task at hand, not ruminating on past mistakes or worrying about future outcomes. Mindfulness helps you stay centered and calm under pressure, allowing you to make better decisions on the court. Another important strategy is fostering a positive mindset. This doesn't mean ignoring challenges or setbacks, but rather viewing them as opportunities for growth and learning. Remember, every shot you miss is a chance to learn how to make the next one. A positive mindset empowers you to overcome obstacles and stay resilient in the face of adversity. Lastly, let's discuss visualization techniques. These involve picturing in your mind what you want to happen on the court. For instance, you might visualize yourself sinking a game-winning shot or successfully executing a difficult play. Visualization helps to build confidence and can actually enhance your performance by priming your brain for success. Above all, remember that mental toughness isn't about being invincible or never experiencing doubt or fear. It's about how you respond to those feelings and challenges that truly matters. It's about perseverance, resilience, and the relentless pursuit of improvement. Remember, mental toughness is like a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it becomes. So start flexing that mental muscle and watch as your game reaches new heights. Mental toughness is not just for the elite athletes. It can make a significant difference in your performance on the court, no matter your skill level. With mental toughness, you become a powerhouse on the basketball court. You're not just physically strong, but mentally unshakable as well. This strength helps you perform better under pressure, turning those high-stakes moments into your time to shine. When the crowd is roaring and the game is on the line, it is mental toughness that keeps you focused, not the noise or the pressure. Mental toughness also helps you overcome challenges. Whether it's a tough opponent, a bad call, or a missed shot, you're able to shake it off and keep going. You don't let setbacks get in your way, but rather, you use them as stepping stones towards your goal. Lastly, mental toughness acts as your springboard to bounce back from failures. Missed a shot, lost a game, it doesn't define you. Your mental resilience allows you to learn, grow, and come back stronger. So, equip yourself with mental toughness and see the difference it makes in your game. In summary, mental toughness is a critical component of success in basketball and can be improved with consistent effort and practice. We've explored what mental toughness really is, how it can be cultivated, and the significant impact it has on your game. It's not just about physical prowess, but mental resilience. So, start working on your mental game today and see how it transforms your performance on the court. Remember, the mind is the athlete, the body is simply the means it uses to run faster or longer, jump higher, shoot straighter.